Hi and welcome to Day 2 at SAHA Expo 2026, the International Defense Divisions, which take place in Istanbul, Turkey. Army Recognition is the official online show daily news and web TV for these events. And today we will focus to new generation of combat vehicles and defense industry at SAHA Expo 2026. We are now on the booth of Norinco. This is the most important Chinese defense company who develop different type of military equipment. And you can see here now a full range of different type of drones, fully designed and developed in China. And there is the MR-20A. This is a new generation of 6-motor unmanned aerial vehicles. There is also small drones, quadcopters, attack drone, and also V2L drone. China defense company Norinco unveiled a new version of the Yitian. It's the Yitian 2. It's a surface-to-air missile weapon system. There is also a range of air defense systems, including the Sky Dragon 100. In terms of short-range air defense system, there is different type of air defense combat vehicles based on wheel chassis. You can see the LD-35. It's a mix of 35mm anti-aircraft cannon with some other anti-drone combat system, including surface-to-air missile system. You can see also the LD-76. It's a real anti-aircraft combat vehicles equipped with a remotely operated weapon station armed with a 76mm anti-aircraft gun. One very interesting military equipment displayed for the first time at SAHA Expo 2026 by the Chinese defense industry. It's a common launch platforms for kamikaze drone. What is this? You can see on the side that there is different type of container. There is 3 containers, but one single container can be equipped with different type of drones. And you can see on the first container there is a kamikaze drone model FL300, and on the top you can see also another container using a mix of different type of loitering munition, including FL50 and FL60.
Hello, this is Mert Nakışlı. I'm working as a mechanical systems team lead in Tekatron. Tekatron is a defense company based in Ankara. We mainly design and develop unmanned ground vehicles. We have experience in platform design, undercarriage, chassis, anything you name actually. We have a tracked vehicle family. You see the largest one here. We can only fit this one here, but we have a product line starting from 300 kilograms up to 3 tons. This one named TREM, Tracked Electric Modular Vehicle, is already in use by Turkish Armed Forces in different configurations. And now you see here with a weapon system and an ISR system configuration, but we have different anti-tank ground missile weapons or logistics, case vacuum, medevac configurations as well. And we just launched a wheeled 4x4 vehicle in this exhibition as well. Here you see our platform. This is just launching right now in this exhibition. This is a 500 kilogram platform and it has a 300 kilogram payload capacity. Now in this configuration we show it with FPV drone concepts. We can stack the FPV drones on top. In the front line of mission, the end user can launch the drones and it also has a light weapon system front. It's a new generation light weapon system as well. This vehicle can be controlled with a remote control. We have a autonomy integration capability depending on the customer needs for sure. Special wheels, these are non-pneumatic tires for longer sustainability and usability for the customers. Well, we see the need in different areas as well. We were in WDS in Riyadh a couple months ago. We saw that there is a strong interest in that area as well. We see some delegations from Europe, from America, Southern and Northern America. We see interest from Canada. Now talks are ongoing. Nothing is set yet, but obviously we want to deliver our products abroad as well.